Nicki Minaj was on Station Head last night and she was talking about how the industry is watered down now because the record labels are signing people that can't rap to replace her.
Rap should sound like fucking rap. That's y'all fucking problem, and that's why all of the record labels are, not all, but some are scrambling so bad because they about to go fucking bankrupt. Because they was trying so bad to replace this one bitch. And when you water something down, you lose the quality, which then loses the investors and investments. Because it's not bringing back any profit. And that is why people who do not understand important, rap should sound like fucking rap. That's y'all fucking problem, and that's why all of the record labels are, not all, but some are scrambling so bad because they about to go fucking bankrupt. Because they was trying so bad to replace this one bitch. And when you water something down, you lose the quality, which then loses the investors and investments. Because it's not bringing back any profit. And that is why people who do not understand rap are judging rap. Why? It's because
And next thing you know, Jess Hilarious called Nicki Minaj out in the comment section and said, "But you're purposely doing features with these girls that can't rap. You never put somebody that can actually rap on your ish. So you're in fact helping the labels replace you." Now I know Jess Hilarious is talking about Ice Spice and Sexy Red, but Nicki Minaj has worked with some female rappers that can rap. I mean, she worked with Akbar, she worked with Megan Thee Stallion. So she has worked with different artists that can rap besides Ice Spice and Sexy Red. But the only thing is, people mainly paid attention with the collabs with Sexy Red and Ice Spice. Now, baby, the barbs was going in on Jess Hilarious, so I'm going to put some of the not so hard comments. One person said, "Can somebody whoop Jess Hilarious? Where is Natalie Nunn?" Someone else said Jess Hilarious was gargling on Country Wayne's eggplant. I don't believe anything she says, and she can't be trusted. And another user chimed in and said, "Jess Hilarious needs to stop worrying about Nicki Minaj and close her mouth and legs to married men. You always have a married man's eggplant in your mouth, auntie." Another user added, "Jess Hilarious, let's be so for real, B. What B out here is rapping better than Nicki? Like, come on now. Make sure your comedic career is legendary before discrediting the queen as if she hasn't worked with these B's and watched them all." And Jess Hilarious responded in her Instagram story and said, "This is such a thread," and she posted the barbs basically. Now, moving on, you guys know Chrisean Rock covered up her blue face tattoo yesterday, and she also got her new boyfriend, K Suave's real name tattooed on her wrist. Yes, I said that right. She got her new boyfriend, K Suave's name tattooed on her wrist right after she covered up Blueface's face on her neck. Anyway, she went on Instagram Live and she explained why she got her new boo's name tattooed on her wrist.
Cause that's my nigga. Just because the first nigga fucked up don't mean I'm not gonna keep trying my tries. Like, YOLO, you only live once. And the next person always deserves a chance. Like, you can't just bring the old baggage and shit. Yeah, I learned. You act like I got the nigga face. You know, that's coming, but let me get up off of here. And the only reason why I'm not mentioning other people's names and stuff like that, because it's crazy, because I really feel like it's just it's so disrespectful at this point. Like, why mention somebody with so much negativity and lies? Like, just carry on about your day and go get some money. Like, if you really dick hurt about shit, bitch cover up the tattoo, like, and you just start crashing out, like, come up with something better. Come up with a better plan. Y'all just need to, you know. Nah, y'all tripping. Then I gotta get my nose repaired. I'm over it. Did the tattoo hurt? Well, Dr. Dre pulled up and put some numbing needles in me. So I was able to, like, stand the pain. Only thing that hurt was getting stabbed with the numbing. No, I just think he's just some bullshit. Blue's just a bullshit ass nigga though. Like, the only circus he know about is the one that's in his head. Nobody know about that circus but him. So he think like he winning when really he fucking up his money. You don't win like that. Like, but are you ready for Christmas? Hey, J. Cole, this bitch is funny as fuck. Hey, yo, bitch, you funny as fuck. I'm gonna go lie with you. She funny as fuck. Dear Diary,